What's up, BBs?
Hey,
We are here in DC and we're going to get some brunch at Sequoia. Let's go.
let's go. All right, BB, so we made it to Sequoia for brunch. So we are here, and I'm going to show you guys the menu. Take a look. So it's tapas brunch. You can pause it if you need to. Take a look and see what they have. All right, so we're going to enjoy this.
The ring mix, the strawberry passion fruit, as you can see. And this is our mimosa mix. It's just orange juice. So what happens is you can mix and match the drinks. And we will keep coming. This is the champagne. You will pour your champagne. And then you mix and match the drinks here. We will keep coming, re-pouring the champagne as we go along. And as I said, we don't want to see empty glasses, okay? I would like you to sanitize the hands as we go along. Be careful, it will be a little bit hot. It's good for your hands. And this is how we keep pouring the champagne as we want to make sure you enjoy the experience. You have some extra ketchup and some extra syrup for your food.
What's up, BB? So we are enjoying our time here at Sequoia, and we are on our second round of food here. We're going to show you what we got. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to properly close out the video, but everything was perfect. Sequoia gets a 1,000 out of 10. The food was perfect. The service was perfect. Shout out to George for the phenomenal service, and we will definitely be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, BBs.